Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish style rice pilaf with orzo. If you are tired of eating just boiled plain rice, you should definitely try this recipe. Rice pilaf is a famous side dish all over the country and it is usually served with almost everything. Now if you're ready, let's jump right in. I'm gonna start by putting olive oil into the pot over medium heat. Then I'm adding butter. And when it's all foamy, I'm gonna add the orzo or risoni pasta and saute them until they are golden brown. Then I'm adding the baldo rice, which I have soaked for 30 minutes and rinsed until no starchy white water comes out. I'm adding 3 cups of hot water for 2 cups of rice, but you can use beef or chicken stock instead, which would make it way more delicious. I'm adding salt and stirring a little. Now I'm going to close the lid and simmer it over low heat. In about 10 minutes or so, it should be ready, but before serving, you should let it sit for 10 minutes. It's grainy but creamy at the same time, and it goes with most of the dishes. Here I am serving the Turkish rice pilaf with Turkish-style meatballs, for which there will be a link down below soon. If you also want to learn about the recipes for 2 lamb lettuce salads on the screen, the links will be in the description box too. And of course I'm serving them with Turkish ayran, which is basically just yogurt, salt and water. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you next time with another Turkish recipe.